Kia ora, I'm Sharon Holt and I've made this pronunciation signpost page for two reasons. One is to help us see the importance of pronouncing our te reo Māori place names correctly, to respect the language and the people and the land, and also to help with pronunciation of te reo Māori all around. So all around us are place names and signposts that we can use to practice our reo, even if we don't have people living with us who speak te reo Māori. So when you come across a place name and you want to know how to pronounce it correctly, you might think, oh, it looks like Te Aroha, which is what most people call this place. But one of the things that it's really important to know with the pronunciation of te reo Māori is the importance of pronouncing the vowels correctly. So there are 5 vowels, just as there are in English. A, e, I, o, u is the pronunciation. So once you can know the pronunciation of the vowels, you'll be well on your way to being able to pronounce this place name. So one of the tricks that I give is to help people see that if you just concentrate on the vowels, it gives you the sound of that word. So these ones are e, a, o, a. So the sound will be something like e, a, o, a. And then you just need to add the consonants. So then it's te, aroha, te, aroha, te, aroha, te, aroha. Nau mai haere mai ki te aroha. Ka kite.